All right, the drink we're about to make is called Alhambra. We're going to take a rocks glass and fill it up with rocks. And we're going to start off with brandy. We're going to add 1.5 ounces of brandy. There's 1.5. And next we're going to add 1/2 ounce of drambuie. And 1/2 ounce of sherry. Okay. We're going to stir these up. So just use your stir spoon. Be careful not to lose your ice cubes that are in there. It should be good enough. All right. And we'll give it a straw. And that's it. Bottoms up.